Today we'll be continuing our lesson on word problems or problem solving. The Common Core State core mathematical practices and make sense of problems and preserve in solving them, model with mathematics, and attend to precision. Our Common Core State standards are 2.0A.1, 2.MBT.5, and 2.MBT.7. The terms are a variable, a symbol for a number we don't know yet, and substitute to replace variables with known numbers. The first step in solving this problem is to read the problem. Colin picked 5 more mangoes than Patrice. Colin picked 20 mangoes. How many mangoes did Patrice pick? After reading the problem, the next step is to determine what our variables are. So let's read the problem. So what are our variables? Our variables are how many mangoes Colin picked and how many mangoes Patrice picked. So we can use P to represent how many mangoes Patrice picked and K to represent how many mangoes Colin picked. This number line will tell us what is our bigger number. Colin picked 5 more mangoes than Patrice, so we know that K will be our bigger number. After determining what our variables are, now we need to find what are our known numbers. Colin picked 5 more mangoes than Patrice, so we know that 5 would be one of the numbers. And Colin picked 20 mangoes. Bingo, we know how many mangoes Colin picked. Now we can replace K with 20 and 5 in the unknown. First, we need to find out what our variables are. Mangoes Patrice picked and mangoes Colin picked. The next step was to determine what are our known numbers. Colin picked 5 more mangoes, so that shows here. And Colin picked 20 mangoes. The last part is to find out what they're asking for. A question mark will tell us exactly what they're looking for. How many mangoes did Patrice pick? That's our question. And that is represented here. And on our diagram, here. Now that we've read the problem and figured out all their variables and all our known numbers, now what do we do? What operation are we going to use? Addition or subtraction? In our previous lessons, we've learned that if the big number is our known number and an unknown number, our variable, is a smaller number, we are going to subtract. So the problem reads 20 minus 5. 20 minus 5. Yes, 15. The question was, how many mangoes did Patrice pick? And our answer is 15 mangoes.